Good afternoon, everyone. My report is about Martin Heidegger. Martin Heidegger was born on 1889 and died in the year 1976. He was one of the most important philosophers of the 20th century. He focused on the nature of existence and how humans relate to the world. The essence of technology, according to Martin Heidegger. Science and technology play a major role in shaping modern society. They influence how people live, work, and interact with the world. They have improved people's lives by making work easier, increasing knowledge, and advancing communication. However, Heidegger argued that technology is not just a tool that we use in our daily lives for convenience or whatsoever, but it is a way of understanding reality. And that is the essence of technology according to Heidegger. Now, let's proceed to technology as a way of revealing. According to Heidegger, technology is more than just machines or devices that we use, but it is a way of revealing the truth about the world. He called this revealing because technology influences how we see and interact the world. He believed that the correct approach to technology helps humans see deeper truths. If misused, technology can make people view everything as mere resources, leading to a loss of deeper meaning in life. For example, in traditional way of farming involved working firsthand with nature where they wait for the right season to plant again and they took care for the soil. But in modern technology, like machines and chemicals, these treat nature as a resource to be exploited or abused, often harming the environment. This shows how technology changes our way of thinking and interacting with the world. Heidegger believed that to truly understand the essence of technology, people must reflect on its impact and not just see it as a tool for progress. Let us make use of technology intellectually and responsibly. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Sunshine Espinara from Group 3. Science, Technology, and Society in Human Condition. Does modern technology bring forth or challenge forth? Heidegger in the question concerning technology posited that with primitive crafts and technology are revealing. So, ang Fort Knox, isang pasilidad na militar sa Estados Unidos ay nag-aampon ng mga konsepto ng smart base upang mapahusay ang seguridad nito. Ang base ay nilagyan ng mga advanced na sistema ng pagsubaybay, mga automated na sistema ng armas, at mga depensa ng cyber upang maprotektahan ang mahalagang gento at iba pang mga ari-arian ng nakaimbak sa loob nito. Bilang karagdagan, ang Fort Knox ay nagsasagawa ng mga regular na pagsasanay sa paggamit ng virtual at augmented reality upang maghanda ng mga sundalo para sa mga posibleng banta. In framing as modern technology, we as revealing. If the essence of technology can be understood as way of bringing forth of the truth and the essence of possesses, Heidegger and distinguish the way of revealing of modern technology by considering it as a process of a framing. So, in framing as modern technology, we as revealing, halimbawa ang paggawa ng palm oil. Dati maliit lang ang taniman at isinasama sa ecosystem. Ngayon malaking bahagi na nakagubatan ang pinuputol para sa malaking taniman. Ang kagubatan ay naging standing reserve na lang isang resource na gagamitin para sa tubo, hindi sa pinapansin ang kahalagahan nito sa kapaligiran. Ito ang enframing sa ang pagtingin sa kalikasan bilang isang bagay sa pagsamantalahan lamang. Kailangan nating mag-isip ng mabuti kung paano natin ginagamit ang teknolohiya para hindi mawala ang ating koneksyon sa kalikasan, mapanatili ang balanse nito. That's all.
The dangers of technology. The dangers of technology lie in how humans let themselves consumed by it. So, since halos tanan kita rely sa technology, so one of the examples ng dangers of technology is ang invasion, data invasion. Since halos tanan kita gagamit sa smartphones, damo-damo na nga gadgets. So, one of the examples ng danger no sini is ang aton nga data about ourselves, private, our private, anything private, there may be a possibility nga magawas na siya through internet. Na siya ang one of the dangers of technology. Other dangers and technology or threats sa technology is automation. So, for example, we're using technology in everything. For example, magamit in 2026, 2027, or next year, may possibility na siya magamit isang technology nga, for example, robots. So, ang threats sa aton is mawalaan na sang ubrang mga workers, mawalaan na sang trabaho ang mga nagapanginama. We all know na technology made our life more easier. So, pero may arag na siya nga danger if magamit kita sina sobra. So, ang imo natin is we need to balance how to use technology, and since it is helpful to us, siguro hindi natin pagkabustuhan ang paggamit sa technology. We need to use it right.
Art as the saving power. Necessary reflection upon and confrontation with technology are required in order to proactively address the dangers of technology.
Art as the saving power. So, as what I understand, art as the saving power talks about the art of how to create a solutions goes by science and technology. Create some solutions, especially when it comes to danger using technology.